So Amnish, I'm 26-year-old. I'm looking for a 1 RK and I have a budget of around 12 to 14,000. How do I even find, like, which areas do I even look for? What should I avoid?
Okay, now I get about 100 calls a day. So, और कई बार ना sectors, because you coming to a new place and sectors के नाम भी algebra के समान लगते हैं. So, first thing first, I make sure I'm listening to that person. So, the first thing that I ask is, where is your office?
My office is in Sector 65.
So, which is Golf Course Road. So now, what I'm doing is, I'm going to help you with sectors which are adjoining 65 or any other location for that matter. So Tino is one situation, but that's how I look at it. So मेरे लिए priority क्या है कि you should not stay too far from your place. Rapido, Ola, या Uber, I get you a place which is far. Then any which ways, rent is an obligation, security, brokerage, and then I'm adding your travel time to it. ठीक है ना? And then you're not getting time for yourself. Working hours are never 9:30 to 6. बोलने के लिए बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It's the all our work is demanding, but then we end up by 7:30 and we are dead by that time. So I make sure कि you give me any. So the way I look at it is, your office becomes the center point, and then I try and figure out first thing कि मैं आपको आपके budget से within your budget what is that I can give it to you as close as your office. That's the first priority that I have, because I don't want to add more things. And then if I can get you a rapid metro route or a MG road route, fantastic. That's the first. That's how the way I look at it. So I'm trying to save time and money at the same time. And then the second question, of course, is the budget. अगर उस budget में उसके पास नहीं आ रहा है, then I give you alternatives. Yeah? Then I have to make you understand कि आपके budget में what you're expecting it's not coming. Then you have to move into a different location where rentals are little less. एक और funny चीज है where people don't know about it. So गुड़गांव पहले क्या था? Farmlands था. ठीक है? You'll find Cyber City, then you'll find DLF Phase 3, right? Nathupur. That's how it is. So गुड़गांव में ऐसे बहुत सारे small villages हैं. वो villages नहीं हैं, बस उसकी road सकरी हैं. And that's pretty, it's a very beautiful case study if you realize. अगर आपका बजट 13,000 भी नहीं है और आपका बजट 5 या 6,000 है, क्योंकि आपकी सैलरी 12,000 है, तो आप गुड़गांव में ना फेज 3 में ना ये लोकेशंस में ले नहीं पाओगे. पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है यार. व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, जो छोटे छोटे चक्करपुर है, बादशाहपुर है, 61 में एक विलेज है, वहां पे you can find accommodation in the range of 5,000 to 6,000 or 7,000, but वहां पे locals रहते हैं. So if you're comfortable, और ऐसा नहीं कि प्रॉपर्टी बिल्कुल खराब सी होती, those are new properties, but आपका बजट नहीं, you can actually go there and figure out places there. But अगर हाँ, पर at the same time, क्योंकि मैं जैसे देखता हूँ 1 RK भी starting point is like 10,000 and above. So when two people are staying together, it comes out to be 5,000. That's the thing, and that's how the suggestion and discussion points start. So the first is of course the office location, and then rent, और आपका salary कितना है, and that's how then I listen to you and suggest you different options that are there in the market.